Welcome back again. Cliff turn 5 and Big Jim is dead. This turn our initiative order is red, Baker, Abel, Charlie, blue, yellow, white. And their confidence is broken. They're withdrawing. We're 2 kills away from having them surrender and ending our misery. Impulse 1, red. Grenade. Live grenade. Sneaking. Aim fire without a shot and can't spot. He's just hiding in that smoke. Evading 1. That's red. Baker, Abel, Charlie. We got 2 aim fires up here. Can't do anything. Can't spot. Here we got an evade. We can evade. Back out of the way. And duck back. Baker, Abel, aim fire, no shot, charging, evading, into melee, that charges a Charlie, getting ahead of myself, Abel. Rapid fire. Can't spot him. Try to spot him. 5, 6, 7, 9. Jeez. Now we're doing Charlies. Sneaking. Charge I already did. Can't do anything in this pile. That evade is now gone. I'm going to put this to the top. Aim fire, can't spot. Aim fire, 7, 8, 9. Finally spot him. He's a rifle. This should be our last turn. Blue, yellow, white, impulse 1. Blue. Aim fire, can't do anything, no spotting. Evading 3. Moving away. Blue, yellow, white. Yellow. Evading 3. 1, 2, 3. Up into the smoke. White. Stuck in melee. Evading 3. This out of the way. Evading 3. That's impulse 1. Impulse 2. Red. Sneaking 3. Aim fire. No shot. Too obscured. Evading 2. That's going to be blocked. Okay. It's red. Baker, Able, Charlie, Baker. Grenade in trees. Backs first. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 0 for range. 4, 3. Grenade in trees. Two shots for 2. Backs misses. Boxcars takes another shot for 2. Boxcars hits him. Close call. Fails. He already placed a live grenade. He's going to go duck back. And he's going to go down 1. And that grenade is going to become a grenade near. The grenade near down here was right here. It went off, and Mad Dog passed his morale check. Just for you scoring at home, it was right here. Now we got a grenade on him. He's ducked back. These 2 Bakers have shot. Last Baker. He's over here. He's going to hide. Able and Charlie. Able. Aim fire here. Evading in trees. 8, 7. Hits him. Bad wound. That kills him.
You don't have like one option like twice a day.
Sometimes it can be like that. Yeah, I need to reserve them.
Dude, you can't just walk up and get on.
Well, you can if you're just walking, but if you're
And kills. And takes her confidence down. 2 more.
And even though we had a reservation, there were so many people backlogged for cancellation that we got
Able.
and then we flight, and then so that was the only time that happened. So,
Able and melee.
yeah.
6, 7.
So far that hasn't happened again. I guess we tried to plan
Sandman needs a 7. He's going to go after the gunner.
crazy stuff. We'll see.
8.
Yeah, well, we needed to winterize things and stuff.
I'm going to re-roll it. I need to kill these guys.
I know.
Hits him. The gunner gets hit with a KIA. Sandman gets a KIA.
I think it's snowing.
Enter kills. KIA equals 1. The gunner's dead. The gunner was lightly wounded and cautious.
No,
Probably not that. Yeah, but that was it was. I felt weird to go in that. I mean,
I'm going to drag that KIA out of there.
so we can set that.
Where's it at?
I can still do my class stuff and everything like that. So that's
cool. You guys got that. You can really well.
There it is.
we got the
They mess up my stacks.
so that
That takes them down 2 more.
limit and it
They're below surrender. Able. Rapid fire. 8, 9, 10, 11. Evading. 3 shots for anything but a 9. 3 hits. He's deadly. Close call. Light wound. Light wound. Close call. Bad wound. Bad wound. That's 5 off. He's dead.
Verizon's really bad out there, except for on our property, we get radio things or something, and so I get Verizon, no problem. I can talk, yeah, if I go in town, I'm good on my phone, and there, yeah, eventually we'll probably have to get like a T-Mobile, I guess,
Yeah.
really good there.
Even with the -2 for rapid fire. 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anything but a 9.
No,
He hit.
I guess, T-Mobile, almost on Bridge, apparently put lots of towers up, so there.
Kills. 3.
Yeah, so but Verizon works, they just.
They're definitely below now.
Okay, so it's not that far away.
It's able.
Yeah, it's kind of, but it's on kind of a hill, so you get good sight there.
Have you changed it?
Charlie
Is it really too early or just not?
sneaking. We're going to wait.
Yeah, so there's some, and I mean, in
Charging in.
we would be different, later, but this was kind of our one time.
Bucko in there. It's an 8, 9, and he's got a reroll. Hits the gunner.
Yeah, I know. It is, it's good.
Light wound on the gunner. That gunner now has -3. He needs a 1. Fails. Goes down 2. Surrenders. And that was Bucko who got the prisoner. Bucko takes him prisoner. He was lightly wounded and now he's prisoner. Drops him 1 more. Aim fire here has no target. He can shoot over here at this aim fire. Three, 2, 1 hits. Bad wounds him. He ducks back. He's a 4 -3. Fails, goes down 2. Shaken. Try to spot him. 6, 7. Spot him. Ooh, an NCO. Aim fire here. No. 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 Blue, yellow, white. Blue. It's impulse. He's going to go 2. He's going to hide. Yellow's evading 3. Blue, yellow, white. He's a prisoner. He's evading 2. And we'll go on to impulse 3, and I have to pause this for lunch. I'll be back in a bit. Alright, I'm back from lunch and basketball. I'm 62 and playing against these 20-year-olds is a lot of work. Got beat up there too, just like here where we lost Big Jim. We won in the end though. Ha. Alright. Impulse 3 it is. Let's finish this turn. Red, Baker, Abel, Charlie. Impulse 3. Red. Well, he's going to go do a hiding. Sneaking. Not this impulse. Aim fire. Not this impulse. Baker. Aim fires. Not this impulse. Baker down here is hiding. I should turn that off. Bakers. Bakers. My reds. So I can see what the heck I've done. Baker. Abel, Charlie. Abel, impulse. 3. Aim fire can't do anything. He's got a melee on him. He's now just ducked back. That melee's done. This guy has a guard on him. There. Rapid fire. We can do that. 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7. 3 shots for 7. 3 hits and he's deadly. Light wound, bad wound. Light wound, close call. Light wound, close call. That's 5. He's 5. He's dead. Bad wound and 2 light wounds. Give him another kill. Okay, it's 4. They're definitely surrendering. Poo. That's, yeah. They're down to 0. That's Abel, Charlie, Impulse 3. He can't sneak. He's already done. This charge on Impulse 3 can go 2 spots. Doesn't. I think he entered into the melee, so they're all ducked back. That guy's already done. This guy is done guarding. Aimfire here has no no spotting, and aimfire here can't do anything. No spotting. Blue, yellow, white. Impulse 3, blue. Hiding. Evading 3. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Evading 3. 1, 2, 3. And white. This target marker is gone. This guy's dropped a grenade on himself. There are no whites left. He's a prisoner. Impulse 4. Red, Baker, Able, Charlie. Red, Impulse 4. Hiding. Sneaking 3. Aim firing. He doesn't have a shot. He's so dinged up and buried in smoke. Baker. Aim fire. He's hiding in trees. Hiding in trees is -4. -4. So we got backs. Who's a 4? 3. He needs 0 and a 7. 2 shots. 0 and a 0. Backs gets a hit with a roll of 0. With a rule of 0. Close call. This guy is normal. He's a 4. A 0. He becomes bold. And boxcars needs a 0. Doesn't get it. Hiding. Able, Charlie. Aim fires nothing. Sandman's nothing. Rapid fire here. Doesn't have a target anymore. Nope. And Charlie's sneaking up. Can't spot him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's gonna block. He's at a 2. He's a 1. He's a 0. The smoke is gonna hinder because it's infinite height. Not gonna spot.
I'm gonna stick this in his box on his chair. Oh, he's in there. I got a package.
Charlie's aim fire here has no target. Aim fire here has no target. Blue, yellow, white. Blue, hiding, evading 2. Yellow, evading 3. No whites left. Yeah, we pummeled them. They pummeled us back. They surrender. Anybody within 3 is a prisoner. 1, 2, 3. We get this guy's a prisoner, and this guy's a prisoner, and this guy's a prisoner. They don't get reinforcements anytime soon, so they gave up before the reinforcements could show up. So that's 3 regular soldiers as prisoners, 4 regular soldiers as prisoners. Let's tally up our points. Each enemy character killed, not NCO or officer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 points. Each NCO killed 2. That makes 12. Officers, none. Enemy prisoners, 3 each. That's another 12. That's 22. No other prisoners, no routing, no papers. No. 22 minus 2 for our guy who died is 20. There's nobody unbandaged. We didn't route off. On the hill map, this is the attack, defend, get to the right firefight. I think I used the wrong event tables. Just another idiot. Are they inside 27 to 30? No. Are we? No. We get like 20. Which is a superb victory. But we have one guy who's badly wounded and one guy who died. So we lose a morale level, but we gain a morale level for a superb victory. Our morale is a wash. Oh well. What can I say? For those of you who want to know how to play this game at home better, I should have put rapid fires on these guys up on this ridge to protect myself against anybody who closed it in for melee. I thought I could get by with aim fires and pick them off as they came up, but it didn't turn out because of the way the initiative orders were. They were able to get up there and on me before I could get a shot off. Rapid fires could have saved my bacon, but it didn't. Some mistakes again. Oh well. What can I say? Love the game. I'm not that great at it. Anyhow, I will get these guys back and give them their experience points, and we'll try to trudge on a couple short now. At least I didn't kill Sean right away. Never got him very many shots. He actually shot and hit, just didn't work out. Close call. We gotta get Sean's hands bloody yet. I'll catch you guys up later.